Are your vertical blinds dusty or dirty? We'll show you how to clean your blinds the right way without damaging them. Let's get started. Here's what you need: a vacuum with hose attachment, warm water, a microfiber cloth, an easy clean duster, and mild dish soap. Vertical blinds come in two styles: rigid vinyl vanes, which are most common, and soft fabric vanes. To clean vinyl vertical blinds, use caution when handling the vanes. The tabs at the top of vanes can break off if they're pulled too far in either direction. It may be easier to remove the vanes from clips when cleaning. To remove them, slide a credit card into the clip and gently slide the vane out. To remove dust from vinyl vanes, wipe down the slats with a microfiber cloth. For more stuck-on grime, you can wipe vanes down with soapy water and a microfiber cloth, or allow them to soak in a tub. Abrasive cleaners may scratch the vane surface, so use caution. Fabric vertical blinds can usually be cleaned without removing the vanes. Lift away dust by sweeping down the fabric with the brush attachment of your vacuum while supporting from behind. For stains, you can spot clean with a microfiber cloth and warm soapy water. Dab the stain to remove and never scrub, as this can cause pilling. Soaking fabric vanes can cause them to lose their shape or their dust repellent coating, and never wash fabric vanes in the washing machine, as they could shrink or crumple out of shape. Have more questions? Call us at 800-505-1905 to speak to a Blinds.com expert about your issue.